What's up, guys? Alec here. Hope you're all having an amazing day. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I wanted to make a quick video for you guys and explain some of the pain points and some of the main things that I have came across over the last few years that I want to explain to you guys and help you guys kind of get a grasp on and understand what are the biggest reasons why people fail on Amazon, e-commerce, and business and entrepreneurship in general. And three of the main things that I'm going to go over today and help you guys understand are actually going to help you realize and understand how you can be a better entrepreneur and translate that into your business so that you could grow quicker, faster, make more money, and actually have the things you're applying actually work. Because before you get into business and before you start anything, you guys have to put yourselves in the right mindset. Because without the right mindset and knowing some of the key things that make people fail, it's kind of hard and difficult to move forward without calibrating your brain to where it should be. So I have quite a bit of experience with business and entrepreneurship and selling on Amazon and selling on e-commerce especially. And I just want to share a few things with you that I hope will help you guys tremendously and you could apply to your business as well. So the three main things I'm going to speak about today are being smart, focused, and confident. Now, these three things are, I think, the most important things when doing business and creating your own business and entrepreneurship and really trying to live your life to the best extent. So these three things I'm going to go over and explain to you guys in depth of how you can apply it to your life and your businesses. So the first one is smart. What do I mean by being smart? If you guys are new to entrepreneurship or you're stumbling on YouTube, you're looking to make money, and you just want to figure out how you can make some money, start a business, and maybe grow it into something much bigger than you would have expected. And you want something long-term, you want much more than just a typical 9 to 5, and if you're on my channel, you know that's a lot of what I speak about. Really living the true life of your dreams, escaping that 9 to 5, and just creating an immense amount of wealth through passive income, online income, and different business models. So you're in the right spot if you're looking for that. But what I mean about being smart is there is so much online today. There is so much information. I just want to help clear some of this up right now. If you're on YouTube right now, you're probably experiencing information overload. What that means is you're getting stuff thrown at you constantly. You're getting 30 different opinions about one subject, and you're getting people telling you that this works, that works, this doesn't. You're getting people telling you what to do, how to do it. And if you're just on YouTube right now, it could be very discouraging. And you're going around, if you're searching things online, you're Googling stuff, you're trying to figure things out as a new entrepreneur. And I wanted to bring this up because when I started many years ago, I was kind of in the same boat. It was a lot of information overload, but the only thing different was I stuck through it and I really sifted through all the garbage information online, and I kind of built my own internal systems and practices that now I carry until today. So I just want to explain to you guys that to be smart in today's world in 2018, please understand who you're getting your information from and what is actually good information and what's not really good information. Because there's a lot of stuff that's good information, and there's a lot of stuff that's not information that you should be paying attention to. So you should be paying attention to people who have done what you're trying to achieve. And you should be following and listening to advice from people who have got to where you want to go and who have done and took the steps that you want to take. So if you listen to people who haven't done these things, you're going to absolutely get wrong information. You're going to wind up failing because a lot of the reasons why people fail is because they listen to wrong information and they eventually lose money and they just give up. So, I mean, that really is a recipe for disaster. To be smart, you have to understand who you're getting your information from. In my case, I could tell you that I've been doing Amazon and e-commerce and selling online and in business for the last 6, 7, 8 years. So I've been through many of the failures that any new business entrepreneur can possibly go through, and I've learned from my experience over the last 6, 7 years, and that's what has got me to where I am today, and that's why I'm here sharing my journey and my experiences with you guys, because I want to help you guys as much as possible get you to where you are, and I know I could do that because I have the experience behind me. A lot of people today, they start Amazon and then they think they could just give advice a few months later, and a lot of gurus out there do that. And don't get me wrong, a lot of them have good intentions, they know what they're doing, but some of the information is just too new for them that it's hard for them to put out there. What I'm just trying to say is understand who you're getting your information from. I was at this for 6 to 7 years, like I said, before I even decided to start sharing my experiences and what I know and helping you guys to get to where you want. So after 7 years, that's when I decided to start sharing my information. So I hope that you guys put trust in me and understand that everything that I share is tried, true, and tested, and whatever changes online, so will it change for everybody, and I'm going to be constantly keeping up to date on all these things and letting you guys know as they happen. So I'm in the trenches. I've been doing this for the last 6 years. A lot of things have changed along the way, and I've sold on marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Jet.com, Walmart, Sears, Rakuten. So all these different marketplaces I've sold on, and with my private label business and my wholesale business, have had 16,000 plus items on all these different websites for my wholesale business, and my private label business is continually growing and expanding. That was the first thing. Be smart. The second trait I want to talk about is focus. Guys, you have to have focus in what you're doing. One reason I see people failing is because they lack focus. I think focus is one of the most important things when you're an entrepreneur and you're starting an online business, because there's just so much stuff to understand, and it's like a fire hose. If you don't put your vision of where you want to go and then reverse engineer it and map all your decisions and your thought process and actions to that final goal, you're going to find it hard and you're going to struggle. So what I would fully recommend doing, and I'm going to make another video on goal setting, is understand where you want to go and lock onto that final vision. And now that vision can constantly change once you reach it. You could constantly keep pushing it up and pushing further, but set an attainable goal and don't lose focus. Like I said, too many people I see setting a goal and then let's say they start product research on Amazon and then they just give up after a week because they didn't find a good product. Guys, it takes persistence and it takes constant action to get you to where you want to be. If everyone gave up, everyone who is successful today gave up after a week, no one would be where they are. So I just want to say, have focus and know where you're going to go. To put this in perspective, someone like Elon Musk, he is a very wealthy man right now, and he has done some amazing and incredible things, like Tesla, like SpaceX, and he's constantly doing all these revolutionary things. Guys, 10 years ago, nobody knew what he was, but he was figure out all this stuff and failing along the way. And I could tell you so many entrepreneurs who actually made it today have absolutely failed, because failing is part of the process. If you don't fail, you're never going to learn. So in Elon Musk, in his case, 2 of his SpaceX rockets actually blew up. And on his last attempt, that rocket, if it blew up, he would have used up all his budget and he would have went bankrupt, and SpaceX would have been closed forever. So his third rocket actually succeeded. So in his case, his relentless focus on his mission actually succeeded and he pulled it off. Now, you could have 1 failure or you could have 10 failures, but the main understanding here is to never give up and lose that focus, because you will get there with consistent and relentless effort. And the third thing I want to talk to you guys today is confidence. I think every entrepreneur and everyone starting a business today, and everyone new, if you're watching my channel, one trait you must have, and that also lends to failure, is confidence. Way too many people, like I said in product research, give up way too quick because they're not confident and they're not sure if they're going to get into a product that might not sell, or they're going to lose their money, or all these things start to come about, and then their head just starts to manufacture failures or things that could possibly go wrong. You start to think up all these different scenarios of why you can't do it and why you're going to fail. What you guys need to understand is every successful person who has actually done it has had 100% confidence. Even if they didn't, they forced themselves into believing that they are, without a shadow of a doubt, going to hit their goals and get to where they want to be. And like I said, as many failures as they had to get through, they still had confidence to know that it is going to work in the long run, and in the end it's going to work out. Whether it's your first product or your fourth product that actually hits and it's a home run, you have to understand that you need to keep and have a confident attitude about it, because like any entrepreneurship and any online business and Amazon FBA, it takes persistence and it takes confidence in yourself to know what you're doing, that the products that you're picking and the strategies that you're executing on are coming from confidence. So those are the three traits that I consistently see people who win have. And I wanted to share that with you guys today, and I think it's truly going to help you guys. And if you apply these three things into your life and your business and your Amazon FBA business, that you're truly going to see a difference, because these are the things that I have seen over the last 7 years, and the main topics that have came up in my life and in my businesses that I think have truly helped me, because I was just relentless to my goals and my visions, and that's what has helped me create multiple 6 and 7 figures per year through online business and passive income. So it's kind of invaluable information, because not many people are going to share this with you, and I wanted to help you guys and give you real world advice that you could apply today into your business. So as soon as you get off this video, write down your goals and make sure you focus to get where you want to get, and never lose focus and never lose that confidence, because 100% you guys can hit your goals and you could build whatever you want if you have the confidence and you just go and you are relentless at your visions. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. I'm constantly putting out videos about Amazon entrepreneurship, e-commerce. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.